Have you ever pondered the secret to creating long-term wealth? The answer might surprise you. It's not about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. It's about consistent, informed investing. And one of the simplest, yet most effective ways to invest is through index funds. So, what exactly is an index fund? In the most straightforward terms, an index fund is a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund with a portfolio constructed to match or track the components of a financial market index. These indices could be anything from the S&P 500, an index of the 500 largest U.S. companies, to the Wilshire 5000, which includes almost every publicly traded U.S. company. Index funds provide broad market exposure, low operating expenses, and low portfolio turnover. They adhere to specific standards or rules, such as company's size, sector, or country. This ensures a level of diversification that individual stocks or bonds simply cannot offer. Now, you might be wondering, why index funds? Well, the beauty of index funds lies in their simplicity and their return on investment. On average, index funds have a gross return of 10% and a net return of 8% across the board. This means that over the long term, you're likely to earn a substantial return on your investment. One key strategy to maximize the benefits of index funds is dollar cost averaging. This involves regularly investing a fixed dollar amount in the same fund, regardless of its share price. When prices are low, you buy more shares, and when prices are high, you buy fewer shares. Over time, this strategy can significantly reduce the impact of market volatility on your investment. And here's a golden nugget of wisdom. The earlier you start, the better. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, starting your investment journey at a younger age allows your earnings to generate their own earnings. That's how wealth grows. Remember, the journey to long-term wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. And with a tool like index funds, that journey becomes a lot simpler and a lot more attainable. So why not take a step today towards securing your financial future? Explore index funds and see how they can help build your long-term wealth. And if you're keen to learn more about smart investment strategies and wealth creation, do subscribe to 777 GOLD MBR 777 or 777 Gold Ember 777. Here, you'll find a wealth of information on everything finance. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information valuable. Stay savvy, stay invested. Until next time, keep growing your wealth.